Hi, my name is Vincent Rosillo, and I'm a partner in the law firm of Fine, Olin and Anderman. By now, you've received notice of an IME. We've put together this short video to provide information to you as to the process and what you should expect before you go into that room. IME stands for Independent Medical Examination. But make no mistake about it, there's nothing independent about that examination. The insurance company arranges and pays for a doctor of their choosing to perform an examination and prepare a report. The insurance company usually requests this opportunity on 4 occasions. 1, at the outset of your case, when the issue is causal relationship. Was your injury a result of the accident or the occupational injury as you describe it? Number 2 would be your degree of disability. How hurt are you as a result of this accident? Is your condition permanent or partial? Number 3, in response to your doctor's request for authorization for treatment or surgery, the insurance company will schedule an exam for their doctor to offer an opinion as to whether or not you need that treatment or that surgery. And number 4 is permanency. In many instances, at the end of your case, the issue will be, did you suffer a permanent loss of use as a result of the accident? The IME's job is to offer an opinion to the insurance company. These exams usually last less than 10 minutes, so you don't have much of an opportunity to discuss your situation with this doctor. And remember, this doctor is examining you on behalf of the insurance company. Having said that, you do have certain rights that you should be aware of. Number 1, the doctor must be board certified in that specialty. Number 2, the exam must take place in a licensed medical facility. Number 3, that location must be convenient to you. Number 4, you do have the right to have someone come into the room with you and be with you throughout the course of the examination. Number 5, you do have the right to videotape that exam. The doctor cannot refuse to perform the exam if you videotape it. However, you must tell the doctor that you are videotaping the exam. The insurance company also has the right to videotape the exam. Number 6 is that you must be notified of the exam 7 business days prior to the examination. Number 7 is that you have the right to be reimbursed for travel to and from that exam. And number 8, you have a right to a copy of that exam within 10 business days of the examination happening. So, as I've indicated, the exam is less than 10 minutes. The insurance company must provide a copy of your medical records and test results to the doctor prior to the examination. It is not your responsibility to provide those records, and even if you're directed to do so by the appointment letter, it is not your responsibility to do so. The doctor's office will give you a questionnaire to complete before you go into the examining room. It is important that you're truthful with the answers to the questions concerning your physical condition. However, you should not answer questions regarding your ability to look for work or perform work. You should limit your answers to your ability to perform certain physical functions. But remember, if you are taking medication, you should advise the doctor of that, because medication would make your ability to move a lot easier. Also, you are subject to periods of feeling better and feeling worse. There are some days when you can do more than others. There are some days when you try to do more and the next day you pay the price for it. So the doctor should be aware of that. Don't try to do more during the course of the exam than you would normally do, or put yourself in a dangerous situation where you're going to pay the price for that the next day. When it comes to the question regarding, are you looking for work? You should not answer that question, but feel free to answer questions concerning your past work and the type of physical activity that it required. When you do receive the copy of the exam, you should go through it carefully, and if there are any mistakes or inaccuracies, please write that down and forward it to us so we can review it prior to taking the doctor's deposition if we have to. If you have any specific questions about your exam, you should call your legal assistant and your managing attorney before the exam occurs. We hope this video has been beneficial to you and informative. And again, thank you for putting your trust in us to represent you in your workers' compensation case.